What's up everyone, Jake's Aviation here, and I'm back with another mall unboxing and review. This time, it's of a very nice model, and that is the JCWings Korean Air 777-300ER with the 50 years logo on it. This is, I've never seen a box like this. This is incredible. This is really nice, like an orange box. You're gonna see it's really neat. But let's get into it. So this is a bigger, heavy model. It's a really simple box. Oh wait, I should have. There's literally nothing to it. It's just the front. This is the top bit. And unlike other models, you just take off the top like this. And here's the model, which is packaged really nicely inside of here. It's a thick, pretty solid box and everything, so I thought that was really nice. So let's go ahead and get this out of here. Kind of gotta take this off first, and then you gotta take them all out. And I thought this is pretty cool that they give you like a little card at the bottom, and this has the info for the aircraft. So as you can see, manufacturer Boeing, overall length 73.9 meters, wingspan 64.8. You get the rest, engine type G90s and whatnot. So I thought this was really cool that they do this, this little card thing with the specs of the aircraft. In real life, obviously, not in the model, but still, it's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to go ahead get to the model. So really nice model. Like, just wow. I got this one off of PandaFox models, I believe, and they have a really good selection of models, and this JCWings was one of them. Korean Air has been flying triples to LA right now, so I figured I'd pick up one of them. I have a Korean 744, I think, in my collection, but obviously those aren't served, or LA doesn't get those anymore. So I thought this would be pretty cool to get. And I know it's got the 50th year logo, which might not be around forever, but either way, at least I have a Korean Air 777 in my fleet now. I think this is going to be beneficial in the future, whenever it comes back to be. So let's get it out of here. Wrapped really nicely. I've not taken this out of the box or out of the packaging yet, so be very careful. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so here we have it. Absolutely stunning models. This is by, as I said, this is by JCWings, but this is like Phoenix models quality. Honestly, it is stunning. It's fantastic. I'm amazed with the level of detail. Just, you know, quickly, the gear do roll and everything for those wondering. They tilt as well and everything. The engines are really detailed. The markings for the gear on the bottom are really nice. So, but yeah, so zooming in a little bit. You have the Korean Air logo, the front, the cockpit, which is really detailed. You have the little Star Alliance logo right there, and some markings in Korean down below. But absolutely fantastic. You have the antenna, the front antenna there. The wing, over-wing exit markings on the wing are detailed. The engine itself is nice and detailed, with all the little markings on the bottom of it. And then going on, you have beyond 50 years of excellence. So that's for service. That's for, I guess, Korean Air, how long it's been around and serving the country. You have the wing, which is really nice, and then going back, you have that logo, which looks really nice. Honestly, it's very nice. the registration, which is HL8008, and then the tail, which is really nice. I have the little Korean flag up here at the top, which is really nice. So yeah, that's that. We're gonna go ahead and spin it around actually. And look at this from this side. So obviously this side is gonna have the cargo door, and that's about it at the front and the back. As you can see, there's one right here, and then the other little baggage door is right below there. So that's honestly the model. I mean, obviously it's got the antennas on the top and on the bottom, as you can see, just one. But overall, a really, really nice model. I'm really happy I got this, and I do highly recommend it. I'll leave a link to PandaFox models in the description, and you can go check them out. They may or may not have this still. I haven't checked since I ordered it, and I got this model a couple months ago. Just now making the review. So yeah, guys. Anyways, that's this model. A very nice one, to say the least. And I'm looking forward to showing this in an airport video in the future. Anyways, guys, for now, that's that. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.